Hey, how are you? I heard you're taking an English course.
Yes, that's right. I'm trying to improve my language skills.
That's great. What do you want to talk about today?
Let's discuss work and career. Can you give me some examples of professions?
Sure. How about starting with some common professions? We have doctors, teachers, engineers, and lawyers.
Those are definitely well-known professions. What about some creative professions?
Of course. Artists, musicians, writers, and actors are examples of creative professions.
I see. What about professions in the business world?
We have entrepreneurs, managers, accountants, and marketing executives.
Interesting. Are there any professions related to technology and computers?
Absolutely. We have software developers, data analysts, cybersecurity experts, and system administrators.
Wow, there are so many options. Are there any professions in the field of science?
Yes, definitely. Scientists, researchers, biologists, chemists, and physicists are all examples of science-related professions.
Great. What about professions that involve working with animals?
Veterinarians, zoologists, animal trainers, and wildlife conservationists are all professions that involve working with animals.
That sounds fascinating. Are there any other interesting professions you can think of?
Absolutely. We have architects, interior designers, chefs, pilots, and fashion designers, just to name a few.
Thank you so much for all these examples. It's really helpful for my English vocabulary.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help. Is there anything else you'd like to know?
No, that covers it for now. Thanks again for your assistance.
No problem at all. Good luck with your English course.
Thank you. I'll do my best. By the way, what profession are you interested in?
Well, I've always been fascinated by the field of medicine. I think being a doctor would be a fulfilling profession.
That's admirable. Doctors play such a crucial role in helping people and saving lives. What kind of doctor would you like to be?
I'm particularly interested in becoming a pediatrician. I enjoy working with children and want to make a positive impact on their health and well-being.
That's wonderful. Pediatricians have a special ability to connect with kids and provide the necessary care. I'm sure you'll make a fantastic pediatrician someday.
Thank you for your kind words. So, what about you? Have you thought about your ideal profession?
Well, I've always had a passion for the arts. I love expressing myself through various forms of creativity. I think being a graphic designer would be a great fit for me.
That's a fantastic choice. Graphic designers have the opportunity to combine their artistic skills with technology to create visually appealing designs. It's a field that allows for a lot of creativity and innovation.
Yes, exactly. I can't wait to dive into that world and work on exciting projects. I believe it will be a fulfilling and rewarding career.
I have no doubt that you'll excel as a graphic designer. Pursuing a profession that aligns with your passion is a great way to find fulfillment in your work.
Thank you for your support and encouragement. It means a lot to me. I'm excited to continue learning and growing in my chosen profession.
You're welcome. Remember, success comes with dedication and perseverance. I wish you all the best in your journey towards becoming a skilled graphic designer.
Thank you once again. I'll keep that in mind. Let's both work hard to achieve our career goals.